Today I will explain about hierarchical inheritance in Java using Visual Studio Code. What is hierarchical inheritance? Hierarchical inheritance is a type of inheritance in object-oriented programming where multiple classes inherit from a single class called the superclass. So you have a superclass. From that you can derive multiple subclasses. So one superclass with multiple subclasses is called as hierarchical inheritance. If you can see this diagram, you can see a superclass which is nothing but a parent class, and we have child class 1 and child class 2. Like that you can have a number. So if you can derive like this, then that inheritance is considered as hierarchical inheritance. Now coming to syntax of this hierarchical inheritance, we have a superclass. So you write class keyword followed by the superclass name. Then you can write its instance variables and methods. Then followed by class, subclass name, extend superclass name. So whatever the superclass name you're writing here, that you can extend. And write the subclass instance variables and methods. And one more subclass, subclass 1, extends superclass name only. So this subclass is derived from the same superclass. This subclass 1 is also been derived from the same superclass. So one superclass, two subclasses. So multiple subclasses are being derived from one superclass. Now this is the concept of hierarchical inheritance. Now I'll show you the demonstration of this hierarchical inheritance using VS Code. Now you need to have the software of Visual Studio Code and just type in search bar the Visual Studio Code. So it will list it like this. Just click. Now here I will show you how to create a folder and save the files, the Java files, and then we'll see the program. So here we have two options. One is for the new file and one is for the new folder. So I want to create a new folder. So just click here and type Java VS 10. Okay, so that is a folder name. You can give any folder name. Now, in this, if you click this one, the arrow is pointing towards down. Then you click this link, a new file. And here you give the file name. So I'll give hdemo.java. The class name can be anything. So that I will make it as a main class name. So before that, I will try to type the superclass. So I'm taking a class A, the superclass. Inside that I'm writing like void m1, and here I'm writing system.out.println of m1 method of class A. Okay, so I'm writing one method and I'm closing that. Then here I'm writing class B. Here I'm writing a void m2. Then here I'll print system.out.println m2 method of class B. If you want to add one more, you can add. So, but here what I need to do here, I need to extend, right? Extends superclass name. Okay. Now one more subclass I need to. So I'll write class C extends A only, not B. Okay. Then here void m3. Then system.out.println m3 of class C. So here C is a subclass derived from A. B is also a subclass derived from A. Now A is acting as a superclass. If you want one more class also, you can add like class D extends A only. Okay, one superclass. Then here you can write M4. Then you can write system.out.println M4 of class D. So three classes B, C, and D is derived from only one class called A. That is the concept of hierarchical inheritance. Now HDemo will be acting as a main class. Here I'll write public, static, void main, and string arguments. So I already given the explanation of this one in my previous video. You can just go through that. What is static, what is public, void, and main. Now I want to create I want to call M1, M2, M3, and M4 with the respective objects. So here M1 is been in class A, then M2 is in B, then C and D. Okay. Now here what I'll do, I'll create the object of B, OB equal to new B, and I'm calling OB dot M1. OB dot M1 I can call, and OB dot M2 also I can call. Okay. Then I can create C OB1. Then I can call OB1 dot M1 because also extending now a OB1 dot M3. Okay, because M3 is available in class C. Then D OB2 equal to new constructor. Then OB2 dot M1 I can call, and OB2 dot M4 I can call. Okay. So since this D is extending A, I can call M1 and M4. C is extending A, I can call M1 and M3. B is extending A, I can call M1 and M2. So like that, we can write here and call. And save the file. This one. This class is closed here. This class is closed. This class is no public class. Here one is extra. This I will remove. Okay, now it's okay. Just save the file and run. You have a run option here, run code option. You just click this button and we'll see the output. Okay, you can see here first M1 of class A and M2 of class B because these are called with object B. Next M1 of class A, M3 of class C. This is called with object C class. Then M1 of class A, M4 of class D. This has been called with object called class D. So here we are taking three subclasses derived from one superclass. So three subclasses are B, C, and D, and only one superclass is E. So B, C, and D are derived from class A. So in this way, you can work out with the hierarchical inheritance. And I hope I have given some input on hierarchical inheritance. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.